Join me for a quick stretch break focusing on hip mobility. This first exercise can be done seated or standing, completely up to you. We're going to do some knee hugs. So you're either going to grab right below the knee or maybe behind the thigh and just give each knee a hug in towards your chest. Okay, one and then the other. This is a great movement to help just to start to loosen up that hip joint, which can get so tight when we spend a lot of time sitting. Okay, so just a gentle hug and then release as you go from side to side. You got it. Let's do one more per side. Last one. All right, if you're sitting, go ahead, stand on up. Next on up, we're gonna come into Infinities. Feel free to hold on to something stable for balance support. We're gonna shift our weight into that right leg, lift that left knee out in front of you. From here, pretend there's a paintbrush on the front of that left knee, and you're gonna trace in an infinity shape with that left knee. All right, so pretend there's a canvas out in front of you, and you're tracing that infinity shape, or think of it as a sideways number 8. All right, the knee stays bent. And just move nice and slowly. It's a nice fluid motion. All right, but we're working on hip flexion and of course different versions of rotation through that hip joint. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Give those legs a quick shake. Same thing, other side. Okay, so nice support through that left leg. Bring that right knee out in front. Let's go ahead, paint some of the infinity shapes with the right knee this time. Sideways number 8. And work to the best of your ability here. As I mentioned before, hold on to something for balance. That is perfectly okay to do. It's actually encouraged. You got it. A few more on this side. Nice fluid motion for 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. All right, let's just do a few leg swings on each side. So whatever leg you want to start with, go ahead, swing that leg forward and back. Keep the torso nice and upright. Move from the hip as you swing your leg forward and back. If you don't have much space around you, just make that leg swing a little bit smaller. Okay, I don't want you kicking anything. I've done that before, so I know from experience. Let's do 2 more. Last one. All right, same thing, other side. Switch legs, torso nice and upright. And just swing that leg forward and back a few times here. You got it. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right. The last exercise we're going to do are hip cars, or controlled articular rotations. Unlike the hip infinities, where our knee pretty much stayed out in front the whole time, this hip car exercise, we work through the full range of motion of the hip joint. All right, so hold on to something for balance support. I definitely encourage you on this one. Shift your weight into that right leg, slight bend in that right knee. Okay, I want you to bend that left leg so that your knee is pointing the floor. From here, you're gonna raise that left knee out in front of you, rotate that knee out to the side, and then rotate at the hip so the back of your foot is facing backwards, and then press the back of your foot behind as you bring that knee back down through center. Now we're going to reverse the direction. Okay, so you press that foot back, and notice that knee staying bent. You're bringing that knee out and around. Rotate at the hip so that the bottom leg is perpendicular to the floor. Bring that knee back out in front, and then face that knee down towards the floor. Let's do a few more, okay? So nice and controlled. As the name says, controlled articular rotation. So you're not speeding through this. And a key aspect of this exercise is to work through a pain-free range of motion. So don't go to the point of pain here. Let's go ahead one more time through. Knee comes up, out to the side, rotate, press the foot back, bring the knee down and around, and let's reverse it. And come down through center. All right, you have to repeat on the other side. I'm gonna hold on to my chair this time, so make sure you have a good base of support in the opposite leg. All right, bend through that right knee. Knee comes up, out to the side, rotate, press the heel back, bring that knee back, down through center. And another thing you want to focus on during this movement is keeping that upper body as still as possible. All right, so you notice I'm not, hinging forward or leaning back. I'm trying my best to stay nice and upright. All right, but you know what to do. Take your time as you move through these hip cars. My hip mobility is not as good on this side, so it may look a little bit different, and that's okay. That may be the same for you. Let's do one more time through. Knee comes up, out to the side, rotate, press the heel back, bringing the knee to face the floor, and then reverse it. And go ahead and lower that leg back down. Give those legs a shake. Awesome job working through those few hip mobility exercises. Let's officially wrap on up with one big inhale and exhale. Inhale those arms up. Exhale those arms down. There you go. You moved, you stretched, you took a stand for your health.